Okay, my beautiful princess, we about to get some walking going on. You ready?
Yes, Mom.
All right, pretty girl. So turn to your left, please.
Okay.
All right, it's a trail over there on this side of you on your left, if you find like that.
Yeah.
But let's walk. But we walking this trail and made my clock today, girlfriend.
Yes, Mom.
How's your day?
My day's going great. How's yours?
It's going good.
That's good.
Okay, her brothers is on you.
Yep.
Kaden, Dad, Chris in there.
Yep.
You trailing, boo?
Yes, Mom.
All
This
right.
is called shoreline.
Short lining?
Yes, so you use shoreline to count the sidewalk.
Uh-huh.
So when you use shoreline, say I needed the first sidewalk. You use shoreline so you can't find the grass anymore.
Okay. So I noticed you got on your sunshades today. Can you tell me why?
Yes. So the sun hurts my eyes a little bit. So I wear the sunshades because it's very helpful for my eyes.
Okay. Okay, I'll see you trailing.
Yes.
Hello. You're doing a good job, girl.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Yes, boo.
Being aware of anything that may be to the left or my right
Mm-hmm.
or in front of me. Because
Okay. Get on
this
this side.
is a little bit of an unfamiliar place.
Yep.
Even though I've been here before, but it's just an unfamiliar place. I don't know the area yet.
Right. And it's a really, really big park.
Yeah.
It's
so
a really big trail park out here.
You would never know if I don't tweet and be aware of what may be in front of me, beside me, and to the right.
All right. What do you hear, boo?
Water.
Is it on your right side or your left side?
It's on my right side.
Yeah, there's a little pond over there.
Yes.
Now step back down a little bit. A little step, huh?
Yes.
Step back up. This is metal and it's really hot too.
Yes.
Step down. You can get off it if you want. It's hot, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's hot, ain't it? Huh?
It is though.
It is hot.
Yeah. It's kind of like the bridge where the pond and stuff is at, but they put this there to block it off.
Yep, so you can be careful, huh?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Safety reasons only.
Yep. Do you hear the wind? Can you listen?
Yes.
I mean, do you hear the trees and stuff?
Yes, I hear the wind blowing.
Through the trees?
Yeah.
Do you feel the wind on your face?
Yes.
Feel it. Do it feel good?
Yes. It feels amazing.
Woo.
It feels good on a hot day.
It feel good on a hot day, huh? You hot? Huh? You hot? Hey, get it, Junior. Get it, Junior. Hey, get it, Junior. Get it, K, boy. Get it, K. Hey, huh? Huh? Hey, get it, Maya. Get it, Maya. Hey, get it. Girl, get them hands off that imagination, girl. Maya, what you on, Maya?
Come on.
What you on?
I'm on the bridge.
Can you hear anything else?
I can hear the water.
Yep, it's a waterfall.
Yeah.
The green, the leaves and stuff is green, boo. Come on, there's some people on your left, so come to your right, okay?
When you move your hand, what do you hear? Sound of the bridge. Hold on, girl. Come on.
The sound of your bridge. All right, Johnny, come in front of her, Johnny, so she can make sure she ain't on the other side of her. There you go. Thank you.
There's a gate right here.
All right, we're gonna turn this way. We'll come right.
Right?
Yeah, I said this way. We're gonna turn right, okay?
Okay.
And you come off the bridge, then get to turning right, though, okay?
All right. I'm off the bridge. Turn.
Stay on the sidewalk. There you go.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, girl. Boy.
Bye. I'm coming, Mom.
Oh, take your time, girl.
I think you can do it.
Green. The leaves are green, pretty girl. A bunch of green, like the grass, pretty girl.
Uh-huh.
The sounds. This is open. Don't run too fast now. Maya. Right, we was running, boo. Oh, so we gotta go around that whole thing just to get to the animal. Jesus!
But guess what? It's tall, but guess what?
Joni, watch your head, please. Tell her what you're doing, okay?
Okay. I'm giving you in your thing. So like get on your
Just scoot down a little bit.
Yep, just like that. And this right here, come up a little bit.
All right, let me see. Just turn around, pretty girl.
And this right here.
Crouch, girl. There you go. Now, don't get on the don't like you on your knees. There you go. You feel the leaves?
Yeah. And this right here.
And then the opening of the tree.
Yep.
Turn it. You feel it? Hold your head down a little bit so you don't bend a little bit.
Look up.
There you go. You feel the tree, girl?
Yes, Mom.
Maya, you in the inside the tree, Maya?
I am, Mom.
Yeah. Those are the leaves on the tree, boo.
Up there. Mommy, look like something.
And then you got the branches on top of your head.
Mommy, look like something.
Feel it?
No.
All right, so step slowly. You feel that rock?
Yes.
Touch down, feel down, downward. That's a rock right there, pretty girl.
Wow, Mom.
And then, as you come, slowly step. Step that rock right there.
Yep.
Don't go too far. Now bend down so you can feel the water right there, boo. You feel that water?
Wow, Mom.
Yeah, that's. Don't you fall now. You got it?
Yeah.
And there's just rocks over there by the water, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. So that's when you heard the water fall down. It's falling down into the one right there. Go ahead. Come back, Johnny. You felt it. You know, we ain't gonna play too much in it, okay? Don't fall in it, Katie. Yeah.